Oh my God, our house. What happened? Are you okay, sister?
Your brother's health needs to be hospitalized for a while. You come with me to pay the hospital bill.
Can I extend the payment period? I need time to earn money. And thank you very much, Doctor.